Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to rotate the home screen in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening the settings. Here in the settings, go to home screen, scroll down a bit until you see rotate to landscape mode. Select it, and now make sure that you have the auto rotate disabled, which is this option here. And now you can, as you can see, you can enter landscape mode. So, if you considered the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.